Hi team. Today we're going to see how we can connect, n8n with ChatGPT. Meaning, like, from ChatGPT, how we can, use your n8n, workflows using MCP server. That's what we're going to see it. So first, you go to your, ChatGPT login. So here, if you see the settings, so coming here, if you see apps and connector, you have to click this. Technically, when you click this, it will show you these things. And if you see advanced, you need to enable the developer mode. Once you enable the developer mode, then only you can able to connect with any custom MCPs. So once you back, if you see here, enabled apps and connectors. So you can click this and use n8n. And now you have to use your MCP, URL from n8n. If you see settings here, MCP access, you can enable it, and this is your URL. Then you go back here, you provide the MCP URL here, and it's a OAuth actually. You don't need to give client ID secret because it will ask for authentication directly. So once you create it, it will take 1 or 2 minutes to create this and make sure it's in beta. It may have other issues later, but not right now. See, once you are created, it will ask for ChatGPT wants access to your n8n instant. You can give allow. Once you click allow, so it will try to connect with your MCP and ChatGPT behind the scene. So that's what it's trying to do. If you see here, right, authentication rewrite, this is nothing but an authentication code. Okay, yeah, now if you see that, it's connected. Okay, and you can do execute flow, get workflow, search workflow. Eventually they can able to create the workflow. That also can be done, but not right now. I can go here. Can you list all n8n workflows and explain? So yeah, it may take few seconds. Actually, it's trying to pull from my pull from my n8n instance. It's calling the tool. If you see here, it's calling the tool. Since it's trying to pull all things, right? That's good thing. So it's again calling it. Okay, so we may have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes to see this particular information. Yeah, see, if you see, right, my workflow, and this is my workflow and the respective informations and what is the base path and production test, everything it pulled up. That's nice, right? So, this is how you can able to connect and see the n8n workflow. See or do whatever you want to do with the n8n server actually. So, and one good thing is, as n8n released instance-based, MCP access, so you can able to remove or enable the MCP for the respective flows. That's a good thing. We can see it. But yeah, so this is how we can able to connect your ChatGPT with your n8n, and you can able to speak with that your plain language. Yeah. That's all. That's all about this. Happy to meet you guys in next video. Thank you.